What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing analysis on LULU ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with fundamental news about this company. And at the end of this video, I will show you my technical analysis and the forecast for probable price action. So let's start with the price chart. As you can see, this company has a steady movement to the upside, basically from the end of 2018, and then on March 2020 it has a huge decline in price, and then from this bottom to previous swing high it has more than 214%. Then we have this formation. It is a consolidation phase, and it lasts almost, let me show it to you, it lasts almost 181 days, and the movement to the downside was about 32%. And from this point we are moving up, and to our current price we have more than 50% of this surge. So I have to say that this company has a really good price action, and in my technical analysis I will show you why it is so important to understand what was the previous price action in order to understand what to expect in the future. And for now, let's continue with fundamentals of this company. First of all, let's start with the company profile. Lululemon Athletica, together with its subsidiaries, designs, distributes and retails athletic apparel and accessories for women and men. It operates through two segments: company-operated stores and direct-to-consumer. The company offers pants, shorts, tops and jackets for healthy lifestyle and athletic activities such as yoga, running and training, as well as other sweaty pursuits. And for now, this company has a total market cap of $50.3 billion. They have a revenue of $4.98 billion with a net income of $705.24 million. They have a very good revenue growth of 29.29%. And they have a very strong cash position of $1.18 billion with a total debt of only $785.06 million. And they have very good current ratio and quick ratio, and for now they are 2.34 and 1.28 respectively. So from the financial standpoint, no doubts this company has a very good position, and in my opinion you can rely on this company at least on a medium term, because for now it has the PE ratio of 70.67. In my opinion, it is a quite high ratio, but this means not only that this company is overvalued, this means that expectations for this company from investors are really high. So, and let's continue with latest news. We are on Seeking Alpha, and this article was published on September the 8th, and it's titled "Lululemon jumps after earnings beat, guides above consensus." And let me quote you these bullets. Lululemon Athletica shares are trading up after the company reported adjusted earnings per share of $1.65, beats by 46 cents. Net revenue increased 61% year-over-year to $1.5 billion, driven by 142% growth in company-operated store net revenue and 8% direct-to-consumer revenue growth. Net revenue is also up sequentially from the prior quarter mark of $1.2 billion and up 64% from the 2019 comparable quarter. I have to say, only this bullet is really impressive, but it is not the end. Gross margin expanded 390 basis points from last year to 58.1%, while adjusted operating margin expanded 560 basis points to 20.6%. The company opened 11 new company-operated stores during the second quarter, ending with 534 stores. And here is their guidance, and I have to say that it is really impressive as well. For Q3 2021, Lululemon expects revenue in the range of $1.4 billion to $1.43 billion versus consensus of $1.32 billion, and adjusted earnings per share between $1.33 and $1.38 versus consensus of $1.32. For full year 2021, the company expects net revenue between $6.19 billion and $6.26 billion versus consensus of $5.98 billion, and adjusted earnings per share between $7.38 and $7.48 versus consensus of $6.9. So again, these expectations are really impressive, and that is why they have this rather high price to earnings ratio. And let's continue with this news. We are on Seeking Alpha as well, and this article was published on September the 9th, and it's titled Lululemon firing on all cylinders amid post-COVID demand, CEO. And here you can see some comments from Calvin McDonald. He is a CEO of this company, and he said, the company's recent street-beating earnings report shows that all cylinders are firing at the athletic clothing maker. Still, McDonald told CNBC that the brand remains in early innings as it looks to expand in post-COVID economy. The Lululemon CEO acknowledged that the company received a boost during the pandemic as people turned to more comfortable clothes during lockdowns. However, he noted that the firm is well positioned for the post-COVID world as well, as consumers remain interested in fitness and functional apparel. And let me show you the forecast. First of all, from TipRanks, we have strong buy suggestions from 12 analysts. 2 analysts suggest to hold this position. And here are 3 projections. The lowest estimation of this price is $410. Average estimation is $465.93, and the highest point is $520 mark. And to our average price, we have about 10.75 upside potential. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as you can see, we broke previous all-time high, and this is a good sign because we have a very good volume. Despite of its red color, it is still very bullish volume, and we have to keep an eye on this previous top. Because from the technical standpoint, we broke this resistance. Let me mark it for you. And we have to retest it from the top. Let's switch to 4 hours time frame. And we have to retest it from the top. And then again, with a good volume, we have to move higher. And if we will break this resistance, and on a daily time frame we will have the candle that will be opened and closed below this level, this will indicate that it is not the time to enter your long position with this company, because we might have a rollover and we might see some lower price points. But what might be the targets? So first of all, let's do some measurements. In my opinion, we might have this huge movement as our third wave, and this is the retracement to the fourth one. And let me show you how deep this retracement was. And as you can see, first of all, we have a very good reaction from 0.382 level, and again right here we touched again and moved higher. But eventually we have this movement to the downside, and we almost hit the 0.5 level, and as you can see, we didn't cross this level, and it is also a very good sign that this previous top acts as a support. So if my analysis is correct, we can do this projection by pulling the Fibonacci extension tool from this bottom to this top and to the bottom of the retracement. And for now, we almost hit with this movement to the upside the 0.618 level, and our next potential target might be right here at 0.786, and for now it is our primary target, and we can rely on this target only if we will have a good bounce from previous resistance slash support, and with a good volume we will go higher. So if you want to put your money into this company, just ladder your buys down, because we might have a movement to the downside, and if we will break this resistance, we will have some consolidation phase right here, and then we might have another leg to the upside to hit this target. And to our current price, we might have about 15% to our target, and if the price will go down and you will accumulate your position, the potential profits might be up to potentially 25 to 30%. And it is very good potential profits with this type of company. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!